Hello, hi, it's Liz here, and today I have an unboxing. This is the Your Creative Studio and it's the December box. It has been gifted to me to share what is in the box and to let you see what is in a typical box. You get a nice gift card to say thank you. We can maybe make that into a nice tag or something at the future. I've got a nice little collection of them now. And yeah, so here we have, nicely wrapped as usual. Let's just lift it out. And we'll just, oh, lots of goodies already. So, oh wow, let's just dive in. Scissors, beautiful. Let's take them out. Oh, quite weighty. Ah, little protector there. Very nice. Look at that. The detail on them, lovely. I think I'll use them for display purposes only. Maybe taking photographs of journals and things. You could have a little corner of your scissors showing through on your photographs. That'd be nice. This is, looks like a little roll of washi. Yep. A little masking tape. Little purple tiny flowers. It's maybe purple heather. Oh, nice little washi. Oh, a little charm. So this box is a sewing theme. Let's see if we can get this opened. So it's a little mini old-fashioned sewing machine. Oh, how cool is that? You see? Beautiful. We'll sit that there. And this checklist. Let's see if we can get the cover off this. Note cards. I'm going to have to open this like this. It's not sliding off. Are they all the same? No, they're different. There's checklist, and then there's days of the week, and then there's a list, numbered list, and there's a to-do list. Yeah, brilliant. So they just easily tear off. Great for grunging up, stamping on, doing a little bit of collage with them. Brilliant. Just put them there. Cling stamp. Yeah, an old-fashioned sewing machine. Nice red rubber, deep-edged. Yeah. Yep, like that. Oh, a crochet doily. Is it? Where's my opening? Here we are. Oh, that's pretty. Very vintagey. Lovely. Look at the sweet lovebirds. That's very pretty. Put that there. Masking tape, washi. Ah, sewing themed, I think. Let's just roll some of it out. Yeah, there's the scissors and thread and a bobbin and a square ruler. Yep. another bobbin of thread. So, yep, some nice washi. Another stamp. Oh, there's 3 stamps in here. So there's a tape measure, a bobbin, and a little bobbin. So 3 stamps, lovely. Oh, a set of stickers. The old-fashioned sewing machine is quite a theme on these ones. I like these stickers because they're like washi stickers. They're kind of clear. They don't have a white border. When you put them on your page, you don't see that they kind of blend in. They don't look like stickers, if you know what I mean. Stamp sticker set. So we've got variety, bon voyage, antique, message, post stamp, and animal. I'm liking the look of the post stamp. They're thick, kind of, not plastic, but let's see if we can get one off. Yeah, these are clear as well. Clear. They're lovely. Can you see how clear that is? So it's quite thick, plasticky ones. Nice, but different. Nice post. I knew I would like the postage ones. And then that's labels. And that looks like more labels. And there's the animals. And that's, what's that called? Message. Just kind of words. Yeah, happy with them. They're nice. And what's this? I think this will be the papers. You always get a nice set of papers. I'm liking the colourway this month's box. And there's a tailor's dummy and some floral, some words. So it's, I think that might be sticker paper. Yeah, so this is sticker paper. So there's this one, and then the one with the scissors and the bobbin and buttons. Always like a button. That's what my hubby told me years ago when Buttons for Brains came about, when I started making cards, and I used to put little buttons in the cards, and he'd say that if my head shook, he could hear the buttons rattling inside my brain. And that's where Buttons for Brains came from. This is beautiful with the mix of flowers and buttons in the sewing machine. So that's all sticker paper. Smashing. And paper ephemera. Even down to the packaging has got bobbins on it there. So this is like cardstocks, like maybe not quite, well, I think it maybe is cardstock, like little journaling cards maybe. So it's bobbins, and there's the scissors again, and a thimble. Oh, and that one's the same, and then plain ones. Lovely. And then these are just bigger ones, still thick, either thick paper or thin cardstock. So is it the same 3? Yeah. Oh, look at that one with the words. Lovely. 3 of them and 3 with the scissors. Beautiful. Yeah, so that's what we've got. We've got the sticker paper and the cardstock, the stickers, the doily. Lovely. I'm liking the shades of lilac coming through as well. The 2 washes and a little charm. The big huge pad of checklists and whatnot. Scissors and the stamps. Right, 2 seconds and we'll stamp out these stamps so that I can just show you, because I've got a little bit of paper, scrap paper here in a pad, and we will just take off that plastic backing. See, my pad is dirty and it won't stick to my acrylic. That's it. Not my pad, my acrylic block. I'm not the best at cleaning things. Right. Give it a good squish down. Lovely. So that's obviously the sewing machine. And then we have the tape measure. Let's see. It's not going to stick, is it? Let me just... It's not the stamp's fault, it's my block that's dirty. That's because I've been using glue to hold other stamps on. And that's the tape. Nice. And this is the little bobbin. Just take the plastic off that. Is it a bobbin? I think it is. Yep. Lovely. How cute for a little corner on a journal page. And this is the slightly bigger bobbin. And it's the kind of stamps that you wouldn't necessarily need to colour in. Or if you stamped them with distress ink, you could just pull the colour in because it's water-based. And then you could just fussy cut out. And then you would have 4 pieces of sewing ephemera to use. I think they're beautiful. So that's the stamps. Yeah, here we are. Right, so I am going to go and think about a little project to add on to my unboxing video, and I'll see you in a bit. Okay, I'm back, and I made a cute little pin holder with some bits from the box. So I'll just go over how I made it. It's super, super easy. I stuck together 2 of the journaling cards for the front cover and 2 for the back cover. Then I cut 2 little pieces of felt and folded down the side there of the front cover. I scored it first and folded, and then stitched down that little what's that called? Spine. Stitched down the spine. Yeah, I'm really happy with that. I added some stickers to the front just to fill in a few wee spaces there. The pin holder I thought was appropriate, and some buttons, of course, and a little thimble. Then from my own stash I had a little tiny piece of fabric, and I stamped pins on there, and this is the little charm from the box. and a little ball pin to hold that. Super cute. And some pins. There's a sticker there, and that's it. Yeah, really happy with that. It just stands up on the shelf, and I know where there's a few pins now. So yeah, so super easy. And yeah, the box is absolutely gorgeous. So I've left a link in the description to your Creative Studio if you want to have a look at the boxes and how to order a box. And yeah, so thanks for joining me today. And if you've enjoyed the video, a thumbs up would be great, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.